They're going.
Whatever. Physics and stuff.
Uh-oh.
What?
No, you're good. Good? Don't worry, the slow wick is the least flammable wick ever made.
Why isn't another one going?
It's going.
Damn. My mic out, we're good.
That was a bad one. Watch out for the fibers. No, we're good. That was very close to that.
Yeah, man! We have.
There was one ball from that last mortar that went off like 10 linear feet in front of the front row there.
It's fine.
Alright, no, shit, man, that's 2 degrees for free.
The danger rack's still going. Can we even call it a rack? I like danger rack.
Yeah, we can call it a rack. It's okay, that's what they make PTSD for.
I think our danger rack. Or no, we have 2 separate ones.
Lost the fuse.
What? Were they all supposed to go together?
Or was that just the end of the first loop? Because there were 2 loops.
I think there's 2 buttons.
There were 2 igniters, and we just handled it instead because the igniter wasn't strong enough, so it was attached to like 10 feet of fuse, and Jonah said, fuck it.
It went out.
Wow. Well then, hit it. That's not even hurt, it's just on fire. Okay, there we go. Oh, fuck. This is like the worst fuse ever made.
What do you mean it's No, because he was using those random, like, jumbled up rat's nest, the front ones.
Oh, yeah, I know, but it's It was supposed that was supposed to work.
Oh, come on, Uber, you're slow. They prefer dumb. Something more than crop lighting. Where? The way we looked up. But I'm not... Also, fuck it. Just starts smoking and you don't actually know what's happening. Yeah. Tinfoil is what's causing it to cross-light, too. Wow! Oh, shit. Shit! Watch out! I don't see a wick. Oops. Wait for it. There we go.
One of those sparks hit me in the leg. Dangerous.
Yeah, those ones are all charge that throws them up. Isn't enough for so that they only go up like half as much before they blow. And that's just one of the things you get when you buy mortars made in China from a random roadside. What's that? Yeah, it shouldn't be too bad ever, really. As long as I want like a foot away from it, yeah.
As long as you're not directly on top of it, you're fine.
Yeah. God, that dude.
Are we removing all of it? Why did you put the... Most people do, it's usually good. You don't usually put it this way.
Yeah, it usually starts cross-lighting. Erroneous.
That's good.
For insulation. Okay, that one you can't blame on me.
Yeah, it came out of the good too.
Well, define
We need to.
the black tubes I made like 6 years ago. I acquired like 6 years ago, having already been 6 or 7 times by my buddy's brother at that point. And
Camera check,
you're
are they still
technically
running?
supposed to.
Yeah. Yeah.
They say they're recording.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think rec means.
We didn't get audio because I forgot to put the mics on.
Oh, well, that's good because half of the audio would be, and the other half would be people talking shit.
No, we got pretty good audio last time when we wore them.
I like that.
That was violent.
Gosh. What was that?
Yeah, hold on. What was that?
No.
Star Destroyer.
That was a Star Destroyer?
Yeah.
Is it pissed at you or what?
We want some Star Destroyers. I love it! Your danger rack went out. Like 3 times. It's still going, right? Or
No.
Oh, relight it.
Wait, hold on. I gotta grab the fuel. We should be AC glasses. It does. Normal.
Yeah, at this point, just start calling out the normal.
Might be doing a quick service here.
Why?
We're almost mid-show and it hasn't been 20 minutes.
So it might actually be the length it's been supposed to be.
Yeah.
It's always supposed to be 30 minutes long, and it lasts 45. Hitting the back with something.
It's just
My back was fixed. Hopefully
bear's not freaking out.
Bear's definitely freaking.
Bro, that dog has like 7 new varieties of anxiety.
He was
at this point.
laying
He's
in
gonna
front
have
of
to
the
be on
refrigerator
medication.
between the bar, just cuddled up.
No, he's in our room. I locked him in our room.
Yeah, from this point forward, anytime he sees He-Man, he's gonna like start shaking.
Did what go?
I don't know if I want her standing up on the deck yet. Nope. No railing.
Kaboom! That's called crowd work. At a fireworks show.
That's called terrorism. Nothing's lit.
Yeah, it is.
Excellent.
It lit.
Oh, I don't see it.
It's smoking.
A rack is smoking. It doesn't look very lit. Oh, now it
There
goes.
it goes.
He doesn't know if he lit it or
It's all process.
Don't bother. You keep this up, everyone will be out of kids.
It's ready.
You can take Eli and light the Drop the torch.
Yeah, he got hit in the leg below once. He's not a fan of this process.
Why are we invited back? Is this the...
Oh
think
man,
so.
look at that.
Whoa!
It's like...
Where'd it go?
It was like a perfect circle about the height of the power line.
6 minutes. Give it a hug. Yeah. 3 of them.
Yeah.
1 minute, a 2 minute, and a 3 minute. Factorial. 3. Caitlin, you got. That's why we start. That's why we start. Just enough to make that danger rack.
To make what?
Danger rack last the whole show.
Yeah, that was kind of the plan. Now, if it actually would shock this. doesn't even like fuse.
Yeah, that's not even the whatever. Whatever. Not good for you,
distance, hiding under a tent. Can I get a high? Can I get a normal? Willie! Fire crew! Fire, fire, fire! Don't cheer on it!
Start pissing on it.
Fire! Oh!
Have like a full tank, right? Oh, look out. Well, you gotta turn it off, otherwise
Fire, fire, fire!
Wait, are the other ones still going?
Put out the fire!
Down.
yeah. Yeah. Hey.
Alright, let's start back in these tubes. Like the old days.
I did reset them. I just did it again. Okay. Yeah, that would make sense. Yeah. So I got some. That wick was on the ground. No, something's going.
Dang, they really tapered it down.
Yeah, they wanted to do it one of those good jobs.
Entire one rack. So if there's like
With that kind of my homemade.
hey man, this is a package thing.
Exactly.
Fire, fire, fire. Oh, it's all done.
Yeah. No, Isaiah and I were talking about it.
This might light a finale. I don't know.
Wait, you have to come take a picture. No, you still got like 2 seconds.
Wyatt, save the rest of all the rest of those ones for the finale. Light them while it's going.
All these middle ones? Yeah.
And that red one might go.
No, I just keep smoking.
Take it easy, guys.
Hey Isaiah! Wyatt!
Yeah.
Light the 25 Saturn at the end. And then just light the random order.
No ball. Where's it at?
At the end.
What about these little ones?
Put them out.
No, they're not.
Range clear! Stop lighting! My face hurts. Hey, this one tipped over.
I think it was done.